Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. So today is the day of the EF getting finished. We're taking it to go get the exhaust. I've just got it pulled out now. We're gonna load it onto the car trailer and get it towed over. So I'm gonna push it out because I can't start it. So we're just gonna push it out, winch it up onto the trailer, and then we'll be good to go.
There's a bit of rust up in here, eh?
A little bit, yeah.
Oh, I love the sound of it. How long do you reckon I could like give it a little bit of I did it.
That's good. When can I give it a rev? Alrighty guys, so it is now about a week and a half later from when I originally took the EF to get the exhaust done. So they actually ran out of 3.5 inch pipe when I went and got the exhaust done, and it was about 18 inches too short of finishing. So I've been going around with no end on my exhaust. I've still been driving it and stuff, but yeah. So today I actually took it down, and I did get some footage while I was out. I forgot to film going there, but you guys will get the gist. So yeah, took it there, got the exhaust finished, got my new tip on it. My new tip looks absolutely amazing. I love how it sits, I love how big it is. It looks so much better than the other one that I had on it. I actually went with a single tip this time instead of the twin tip because I feel like on a turbo car, the single tip just looks the greatest. So I'll go around and I'll show you the car now, and then I'll show you how it sounds. Alrighty, so here is our exhaust tip there. As you can see, it looks really, really good. Much better than the twin tip in my opinion. And it has that nice little angle on it as well as it comes out. So yeah, it looks really, really good. Really, really big. Like, size comparison to my hands, it was quite big. It's the biggest one they actually had there. Eventually I might get a even bigger one on it, but for now that one looks really, really good. So yeah. So I'm just gonna start it up now and let you guys know how it sounds. Little tone to it, a nice little burble as well. Go over and I'll give it a rev up. Revving it to about 3 grand, so that's about halfway up the speedo. Sounds really, really good, really, really beefy, really burbly, and it sounds even better when I actually drive it. I will try and get some footage to put in this video of me actually driving it, so you can hear the turbo spool and everything like that, because the car just sounds absolutely amazing. It's pretty much done now. I'm getting it tuned on, fine-tuned on Wednesday at Profile Autosports up at Cleveland. So yeah, really, really looking forward to once that's tuned and seeing what difference it makes between the standard TI Performance J3 chip tune and then the actual fix up on there. I'm hoping for a little bit more of a better gain and stuff like that. But yeah, really, really happy with today. Big shout out to Race Enhanced Reliable Auto Camera Exhaust at Capalaba for doing my exhaust. Great price and everything like that, so I highly recommend those guys. But yeah, really, really, really happy with the outcome of this car, and so glad that I'm actually able to drive it again. It's been about a month since I've driven it, so it's really, really nice to drive again. I'm on my opens now, so I don't have to mess around with my P plates anymore. So yeah, really, really happy. Alrighty guys, so once again, it is like another week later, because it was raining all weekend, so I couldn't actually get a decent driving video of the exhaust sound. So I'm out now. It's a little dark at the moment because I've been at work all day, and I'm out at the moment because I just went to Super Cheap and got myself a bunch of stuff. So a bunch of cleaning stuff and some new oil. Yeah, so I'm gonna go do some videos of the exhaust while I'm driving and see if I can get some flutter, and yeah, post it on the video. Alrighty guys, so obviously I had to get a tunnel video, so I'm in an well, sort of that. I'm in an underground car park. So let's get it. Alright guys, so it's a little dark. You can see me here. I'm driving through a dark area at the moment, so hopefully as we go over street lights it'll pick up. I don't know whether you can really hear my voice, but hopefully we'll be able to hear a little bit of the flutter. But yeah, obviously I can't hold my phone while driving, and I don't have a windscreen mount at the moment. So yeah. we have it. So hopefully that video will explain a lot and you'll actually pick up on it. If not, I'll try and get the dash cam footage out of it and post that in the video. So yeah, please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys